Hello sir, I am Divish Srila TJ and I am going to give the demo of the project Smart Waste Management System. My team members are Nikita Shakya, Vishnu Kumar and Aditya Srinivasan. This project is done under the guidance of Dr. Prakash V for the subject Embedded System Design. This is the circuit of the project. The Node MCU is the microcontroller that is used to command both the sensors of ultrasonic, which is used to measure the level of the bin, and the IR sensor, which is used to detect the presence of a human hand so that we can automate the opening and closing of the lid. We had initially implemented a servo motor to mimic the opening and closing of the lid, but unfortunately it has stopped working. So we have replaced it with a LED over here so that we can it can indicate the working of the servo motor. The Arduino is just used for giving the power supply of 5 volt to both the sensors. We are using the ThingSpeak platform for the updation of the both the ultrasonic values and the PIR and the IR sensor values in the platform. So right now the channel has been cleared and everything is empty. This is the code of our project and I've already uploaded the code in the Node MCU. So now I'll just power the Node MCU. I'm opening the serial monitor right now. These dots are to indicate that the Wi-Fi is being connected. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, the IR or the ultrasonic sensor measures the distance and sends it to the ThingSpeak platform. It also sends the value of the count for open activity, which is currently 0 because no one has used the bin. It takes a minimum of 15 seconds to update in the platform. Both the values have been updated in the platform. Now we'll try to mimic the IR sensor. The IR is working and the LED glows as an indication of the working of the servo motor. Here the count for open activity has been incremented to 1, so indicates that 1 person has been used till now. As more people use, the IR sonic works and the count for open activities keeps on increasing. And the same has been updated in the platform also. Now I'll try to mimic the distance using this paper over here to mimic the level of the bin. I'm reducing the level of the free space available. Now the distance has become 15. The same will be updated in the ThingSpeak platform, and we have configured the ThingSpeak platform such that if the distance, the free space is less than 8 centimeters, to send the notification to a phone, which will be kept here. Now I'll try to mimic the level of the ultrasonic sensor to be less than 8 centimeters. Now the distance has been updated as 4 centimeters. Right now we'll be getting a notification in the phone. It will take some time to automate all this. We got the notification. It's not, yes. We got the notification in our phone that the bin in our area is full. Using the IFTTT app, we can also check the activity of our event happening, which says when the bin has got full. This is the demo of our project. Thank you, sir.